In this video, we'll demonstrate how to home the platform and calibrate the nozzles to ensure both are at the same level. Please note that improper actions might cause damage to the machine, so make sure to operate the machine only after watching this video. If you notice any differences from the video while operating the machine, please press the emergency stop button located in the top right corner. This will stop the equipment. Check the issue and contact the manufacturer for assistance. First, confirm the printer settings. For the printer type, select either S300 or S400. Please pay close attention to following steps. Even if you don't plan to use support material or the second pair of silicone, you still need to mount both nozzles with the same material and length. If only one nozzle is mounted, the subsequent step could damage the equipment. Before homing, please ensure that there is nothing sticking to the nozzles. To prevent interference between the nozzles and the platform during calibration, make sure there's enough space between them. If they are too close, you can click Z+10 in the software to lower the platform and increase the distance. Next, under the manual control tab, you will find the house shape button at the bottom left. Clicking this button will home all axes, including the X, Y, Z axis, and both the P and Q axis of the nozzles. After pressing the button, please check if everything proceeds smoothly as shown in the video. When you click the house button, the P and Q axis will move up first to reach their origin points, followed by the homing of the X and Y axis. After that, the left nozzle will move above the Z sensor. Warning: if the nozzle deviates from the sensor, press the emergency stop button immediately and contact the manufacturer. Next, the nozzle will move downward, and the platform will level up until it touches the nozzle. Afterward, the machine will switch to the right nozzle, which will also move downward until it touches the sensor. At the end, the machine will switch back to the left nozzle and return to the home position, including the X, Y, and Z axis. At this point, you will notice that the left nozzle is much closer to the platform than the right one. This difference ensures that the nozzles and the object do not interfere with each other during printing. Next, we will use the M230 G-code command to perform the double nozzle overlap calibration. Every time a new nozzle is replaced, the nozzle positions may shift. Therefore, calibration is necessary after replacement. First, ensure the platform has been homed. Then, go to the manual control tab and sequentially click Z+10, X+150, and Y+200. The nozzle will move to X150, Y200, Z10. Next, place a piece of clay beneath the left nozzle. Click left valve. Then click Z-1 step at a time to slowly raise the platform until the left nozzle leaves a small indentation in the clay. Once finished, click Z+10 to move the platform away from the nozzle. Next, enter T1 in the G-code input field and send the command to switch to the right nozzle. Click right valve and slowly raise the platform again, allowing the right nozzle to get close to the clay without touching it. adjust the position of the right nozzle to align it with the small hole left by the left nozzle. Record the new X and Y coordinates. Subtract the new coordinate from the old ones to calculate the differences. Next, enter M230 X difference, Y difference in the G-code field. For example, if the old coordinates are X150, Y200, and the new ones are X150.5, Y199.8, the differences are X minus 0.5, Y 0.2. Enter M230 X minus 0.5, Y 0.2 in the G-code field. After executing this command, enter T0 in the input field to switch back to the left nozzle. Finally, click Home X and Home Y to move the nozzle back to X0, Y0. And that's all for the double nozzle overlap calibration.